In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get the dark texture pack for Roblox Rivals. It takes less than 1 minute to install, so let's get into it.
But before moving on, I want to try one thing. I have a $10 gift card, and I blurred out the last 6 digits of it, and I hid the 6 digits somewhere in this video. So the first person to find the 6 digits can use this gift card and redeem $10. Okay, let's move on to the rest of the video. Okay, so the first step is to click on the link in the video description. This will have the texture pack. It should come up with a screen like this. You click on the download button and it will download. Some antivirus will flag this as malware, but trust me, it is definitely not. You open it. It should be a folder called dark textures. You open that and then you will have a bunch of textures. Now, what you do from here is that you go into the file location of Roblox. So you right click on Roblox, click on open file location, you click on versions, you click on the newest version, you click on platform content, PC, and textures. Now, so what this is going to do is going to bring up a bunch of textures. I've already done this, so the textures in this pack are going to be the same textures in here. But what you're going to do is you're going to delete all of the files in the Roblox file texture folder, delete those and copy and paste them from the folder you just downloaded. If you want to keep the files, you want to copy them to a different location before you delete them, in case you want to restore them later. But that's it. You just copy and paste these files over to here. You start up Roblox and it should work. If this worked for you, please give the video a like.